Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to verify your age on Roblox. Now, age verification is a new feature currently in testing on Roblox. It aims to provide access to innovative social features and age-appropriate content while ensuring the safety of the community. Let me show you the steps to take to verify your age on Roblox. The first thing you do is access the settings, that is, log into your Roblox account. Then, I'm talking about when you're using the web, so you click the gear icon in the top right corner to open up the settings menu. Then select account information. Then initiate age verification. Under your birthday, click the verify my age button. So under the birthday, you click verify my age button. A pop-up menu will appear with a QR code. Scan the QR code using your mobile device, and then you follow the on-screen instruction to start the age verification process. You'll be prompted to provide a government-issued photo ID, that is a driver's license, passport, or anything like that. Make sure you take clear photos of your ID as instructed. Next, you'll be asked to take a selfie for verification purpose. Do that. Now, note something. Age verification is only available for users 13 years of age or older. Roblox does not store your raw ID document or selfie data. The verification process is conducted through a third-party service. Now, why should you verify your age? By verifying your age, you will gain access to features like voice chat and age-restricted experiences. Hope you found this video helpful on how to verify your age on Roblox. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.